Hello everyone, this is me here, and today I've unboxed the 1971 Ford Mustang Mach 1. So yeah, this is the 60 years of the Mustangs edition. Yeah, here's the package, and I have all the Mustangs here, so yeah. And the logo right here, you see the Ford logo right here. Yeah, this was released either in 2024 or 25. I think 24 to be the exact year, or maybe it could be this year. So yeah. This is by Mattel, and yeah, let's open this Mustang up, shall we? Here you are. Here's your 1971 Ford Mustang Mach 1 here, and yeah, this is the green in color, and yeah, the details, I said that this is more like a realistic car, and yeah, and then I think there's no Mustang logo in the back, and then this is the made in Thailand, so this is the Thailand version of it, and yeah, you can see a 155 scale, yeah, 155 scale diecast car, and yeah, here's the review of this car, yeah. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and see more if you want these more videos. So yeah, bye bye, and see you next time.